All right, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make an origami heart. I know it sounds a bit complicated, but it's honestly one of the easiest origami pieces I've done since I actually started doing origami. So today I'm going to teach you about the origin of origami, and then we're going to go through the physical and mental benefits, and then I'm actually going to show you how to do the heart or make the heart. So origami is said to have originated in Japan, but with a little bit more research, um, it may have actually originated in China about 1,000 years ago or so. And that's because the idea of folding may have come from Europe, with cloth or other objects as well. Many people say that origami originated in China because of the inventor of paper, Kai Lun, who introduced paper to China in around 105 CE. He is said to have then brought that over to neighboring countries such as Korea, Japan, and Mongolia and such. So now we're going to go on to the benefits of origami. According to the AARP, the simple action of actually just folding a piece of paper boosts your mental health by a lot. It helps with mental concentration and physical stimulation, such as hand and eye coordination and fine motor skills. It's also a therapeutic method to de-stress. Like, let's say you're stressed about probably public speaking. It's a way to help you de-stress. And if you're ever looking for a way to de-stress, just remember that origami is a simple way to de-stress, because you just need a single sheet of paper and your hands. So now I'm gonna move on to show you the actual way to make the heart. I have some of the pictures on here, and as well as the heart, you can make a frog, crane, boxes, and you can actually make little geisha dolls as well, but those are much more complicated and require much more paper. So here are some pictures, and there were more, but they magically disappeared. So now you're gonna grab your sheet of paper, and you are going, I apologize. You're going to fold it diagonally across in half. And you should have a triangle. Now you're going to unfold that triangle, and you're going to fold it the other way, diagonally across as well. Once you have 4 even triangles on your sheet of paper, you're going to take the plain side and you're going to turn it into a diamond shape. And now you're going to take the top part of the sheet of paper and you're going to fold down to the middle of your sheet of paper like this. And your paper should be looking kind of funky. Once you have the top folded down, you're going to take the bottom and fold it upwards to the tip of the straight line you have at the top. And then you have this weird like trapezoid shape now. So after that, you're going to bring whichever side you choose to bring upwards first, you're going to bring it over and make it and fold it into some sort of triangle deformed shape. But it should be looking like this. You're going to fold it upwards. Then you're going to bring the other half and do the same. Now it's going to look like a diamond with two pointy ends. And you're going to turn it over to the side that has the plain sheet showing. And you're going to fold down those corners or tips slightly. And they should just be straight at the top. And then you're going to bring in the end tips, these ones. You're going to bring them and fold them in. And you should have a heart. Mine looks kind of deformed because I did it up here. But you should have a heart, and it could turn out looking like one of these. So I showed you how to make an origami heart. And if you ever choose to take the hobby of origami, you could end up making a crane at some point, or even a frog. So with this presentation and demonstration of on how to make an origami heart, I showed you the origin of origami, the physical and mental benefits of origami, and then I showed you how to make a heart. Thank you.